Hey YouTube, I'm Awkward Banana, and this is Agony, who's hiding behind my stuffed duck.
I thought we were showing our true selves.
We are.
Sorry,
We're not
a
as
hoarse
weird.
throat. I'm horrible at puns.
See, this is
And it's showing my face.
Agony. Okay, so,
Name is from Lutro.
yeah,
Not Lord of the Rings. That's the online version of the character.
Harley, he is almost 3 months old. He's a sweetheart.
He's adorable, but he's very tired right now, so I can't see his face.
It's the camera. There you go.
Here we go. You just do a bunch of What?
So, we thought we'd make a YouTube video. We're doing a very bad job at it right now.
Pretty poor. But it's the first one, so it's okay.
So, we're probably going to have a lot of people who don't like it, so I'm hoping that you'll eventually follow our channel and we'll have better stuff. I'm cool, and I like to talk about things, so I might have a couple videos that I talk about stuff, and talk about certain songs and what I like about them, and things that I do like about them.
And I'm very random. I can say anything at any given time. I'm sorry if I offend anybody.
She'll be in my videos, maybe? She lives with me, she's my sister, so it's not like, she's going to be too far. What inspired me was to be a good person on YouTube is because my best friend wants to be I'm a lesbian. Okay, I'm just kidding. I'm not really lesbian. I'm trying to be a lesbian.
Yeah, it's Bananarama.
Bananarama.
It's funny because banana is symbolized. Oh, sorry, there's probably younger viewers. I can be offensive at times.
Like, we're gonna fix that.
I need like sense of art.
Remember Robert? Okay, so we look really geekish right now. I am geeky.
Should I think she's geeky because the world thinks everybody's geeky? Geeky is the new cool for girls, right? Just like Swagmeister.
No, I don't really like swag stuff.
I don't even understand it. I just hear people say it a lot.
I'm not one of those people that like walking around. Oh, I'm so much swag. I'm gonna fight. No. Go home. Go home.
What is going on with my face? Having all sorts of weird issues with it. I'm looking over and I'm like making all sorts of weird faces. I don't know what's going on.
I have so many like comments like, oh my god, what is wrong with you? And you have to step down kind of. His face is so sensitive because of my dog. It's actually very sick. But that's okay because I have another one. And yeah. So I'm hoping that most of you guys will like our videos.
Probably not. You're probably thinking, that chick is so stupid. But yes, it's true, I am.
That chick in the baseball hat needs to like fix her hair. Okay, who's annoying me right now? So
yeah, I suck at staying in the camera.
for some reason, nothing is so weird.
Yes, I watch little kids. What am I doing? I watch little
It's okay.
kids shows. I'm 19.
She's 19?
I'm in college.
17? I'm a senior in high school. So if you guys are wondering, I'm a senior, so I will probably talk about what irks me of people. And yes, it irks because it's fun. It's a fun word. Irks. Like, I mean, if you're having a conversation with this, how does a person irks me? And then the other person's just looking at you like,
What does that word mean? What is wrong with my head?
what is wrong with your language?
What's wrong with me? Why am I here?
Okay, so
RBD.
should we give out our real names? Just our real first names.
Yeah, I guess.
This is Amber.
And this is Ashley.
I don't spell it weird. I spell it the normal way.
And my name is Andrew, but I really don't want to give my full name. It's very.
You guys wouldn't understand it. Like,
It's Greek. That's a hint.
flower. Oh, there we
Flower.
go.
It's a type of. It's. Well, I can't say what it is because then people know my name. And bad words.
We should make a game out of it though. See if we can guess her name.
Okay.
Um,
I will give a high five to the screen to whoever can guess my name.
and we will make a special.
And hopefully not break your computer.
So, but we will do something funny, and we will pick the top suggestion.
Well, it's what we think is funny
What
anyway.
we think is funny, which is actually pretty funny. And we will pick suggestions, and as long as it's appropriate, then we will take your suggestion if you guess her name, and we will actually make a video out of it. If you guys yeah, just want to, or you can just tell us to stop making videos because that's probably what your suggestion's gonna be.
Do you think 3 hints is enough?
No, just give like, don't give like.
I can give away 3 hints, right? Or at least 2.
Well, we can spread it out over weeks, so let's just give out like 2 hints right now.
Alright. One, it is Greek for nectar or fruit of the gods.
Which that probably just give it away. You can just go on YouTube, Google and Google it.
Go on YouTube and
Go on
Google
YouTube.
it.
Go on YouTube and Google it.
You could probably find it anywhere. And well, I guess my second one is, what were you gonna say?
It's really pretty. Like it's pretty. Like when I heard her name, I was like,
She just had a back face too. Well, the second hint is it is an amazing song by Alessana. Or Alessiana, however you pronounce it. They're not screamo, it's like, I don't know how to classify that genre. It's metal.
I'm a big
somewhat.
country girl, and she's.
I don't listen to country.
She's so like.
I just so techno, you know,
No, I listen to
dubstep.
dubstep.
We had that in common.
I love dubstep, but like
Rock, metal,
so a lot of
metal.
like if a lot of the songs maybe that you talk about is probably going to be what?
I don't know. Like I said, I'm random.
So a lot of the don't like me. I'm on. So a lot of the songs that we'll talk about probably will be country like, but I listen to other stuff. So like just keep that. And I hope you guys like our video and please subscribe because we could be better at this. I promise.
We're not gonna be better at this.
Can I at least know that?
If you don't want viewers anymore, yeah, go ahead live.
Hey, you know what?
It's called good marketing.
What are we marketing ourselves?
We're not that great. We're marketing Finn and Drake. And Mario. If you can sing. Mario. And Japan.
Oh, and I just showed my cross.
That's weird. We're not whores, even though she's showing cleavage.
I'm not showing cleavage. Okay, we might be a little bit poor, but you know. You know, we're definitely gonna have to make this for people who are like older.
It's okay. Just tell little kids not to subscribe. Or watch. We're not really whores.
I want to be you.
I'm still maybe cursed.
Sorry guys, you had to see that. She needs to get hit.
Sit.
Anyways, this was awkward, but this is ordinary. Duck faces.
I don't know how to do it. I think I'm gonna do this.